Hi everybody and welcome back to Enjoy English with Mrs. A. I'm Mrs. A and today we're going to have a look at say versus tell. I have to say that Spanish students, for example, mix these two quite a lot. And the rule is so simple that you will understand it in exactly 3 seconds. Have a look at this. You always say something and tell someone. How easy is that? The focus of say is on the what. What exactly are you saying? The focus of tell is on the who. Who are you telling this to? Tell will always be followed by a name, by a pronoun. So it's a lot easier than it looks. So you will always say, tell John to come. Or tell him he failed the exam. Or tell me what's going on. So you have tell that is usually followed by a name, a pronoun, for example. Whereas when you say, the focus is on the what, not on the who. For example, who said that Anna left? Or, come on, say yes. Yes is the what. Okay, say what? Say yes. Or, I don't know what to say. So always remember, say something, tell someone. Super easy. You'll remember this forever, I promise. But what is a little bit more difficult is when we have say and tell in expressions. And I want you to remember that as far as English is concerned, when we have expressions, words involved have a mind of their own. So an expression in English is like a block. And you cannot pick it apart. You cannot separate the words. An expression is like a block and you have to take it just the way it is and never separate the words. For example, tell will always go with these things. You always tell the truth. Well, it's the same logic because you tell the truth. You don't tell it to a tree or you tell it to somebody. So the who applies here as well. Tell me the truth. The same way you tell somebody the truth, you can tell a lie or a secret. You will always tell the truth, tell a lie, tell a secret, but also you can tell a joke. You can make people laugh by telling a joke. Here is another peculiar one. Tell the difference. Can you tell the difference between the two pictures? And here, tell doesn't mean what you think it means. Tell the difference. This is a block, an expression that means observe. Can you observe the difference between the two pictures? So the expression uses tell when in fact it means observe, okay? But this is the expression, so we have to accept it the way it is. In English, some things you can explain and some things are the way they are. When your children go to bed, you can tell them a story. When they are not behaving well, you can tell them off. When you tell somebody off, I want you to imagine this. This is what it means. You tell somebody off. You tell them that what they're doing is not okay and why it's not okay. Telling somebody off. Stop disturbing the cat, for example. Or be nice to your sister. And of course, another expression is tell the future. So here you see the word in the expression is tell, but tell here actually means to predict. Can you tell the future? Can you read my palm and tell the future? Am I getting married in 2 years, 3, 5, 10? And then, of course, we also have say in expressions. So you will always say sorry, say thanks. You know how the parents always tell you, say thank you, say sorry, say please. Well, it's the same thing. You always use these things with say because the focus again is on the what. You will always say yes, no, or maybe, or I don't know. Say you agree with me, say yes. The same way you will say hello or goodbye. You're going to greet somebody. So you're going to say hi or bye, depending on the situation. Another expression is to say something out loud. Say it out loud. It means say it loud with your whole voice. Say it out loud. Don't just think it, say it. Another expression that my students ask a lot about is it goes without saying. This expression refers to something that is the norm. When something goes without saying, it's automatically understood. It's logical. It doesn't have to be written anywhere for people to know. Like, for example, you're not supposed to walk in the middle of the street. You're supposed to walk on the sidewalk. It goes without saying that people walk on the sidewalk because there are no cars. It goes without saying. It means that it's logical. I don't have to say it for people to know that something is the norm, that something should happen. Another popular expression involving say is say cheese. And this is what we say when we're taking a picture and we want everyone to smile. Say cheese. So that everybody smiles pretty for the picture. And of course, when all is said and done, I'm going to buy a house. When all is said and done is an expression, all of it, all the block. When all is said and done, it means in conclusion. So you use it as a conclusion. At the end of it all, when all is said and done, in the end, as a conclusion, something will happen. Thank you for watching the video today. Please subscribe if you like the content. If you want me to explain something else in my videos, let me know down in the comments. Like and subscribe, and don't forget that this video was brought to you by EnjoyEnglish.es, the academy that brings the teacher to you if you live in Pamplona, Zaragoza, or Valencia. Check them out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!